Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete an Any.do task. All right. So first up, let's just go ahead and select a list. Okay. Right here on the app's dashboard, you'll be able to see your lists and your boards. Okay. Now, first up, you'll have to select a list. For example, to-do list right here. Just going to tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, I have two tasks. First task is to buy tomato, and second task right here is to buy sugar. Okay. Now, if I wanted to delete one, as you can see here, when we tap and hold, nothing happens. When we tap on the three dots right here, the option here for delete is to delete the entire list, including all of the tasks. All right. When you hit on clear, it will clear everything here inside the list. Okay. Now, what if you just wanted to delete a single task? Now, how do we do that? It's pretty simple. Just tap on the circle button right here besides the task. For example, this one. And as you can see here, is now grayed out. That means it is done. So the next step would be is to go ahead and tap on the X button. Okay. When you tap on it, it will be gone in here. That's basically how you do it. When you go back and check the to-do list once more, as you can see, it's completely gone. And do note that it is irreversible. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.